Hey guys, my name is Brandon Pinto and today I'm here at Palava city and I'm doing this nature vlog especially for y'all guys because most of my pictures are clicked here and people on Instagram have been messaging me and wanting to know where exactly I get my pictures clicked. So this is Palava city and I'm excited to shoot this vlog for y'all guys. This is where I get most of my pictures clicked, so without wasting any time, let's get started.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So guys, the place is really beautiful. There's one thing that I really love about this garden is that there's so much of greenery, there's so much of nature, so much of stuff to explore. There's a lot of birds, there are a lot of insects like dragonflies, calots, and it's really beautiful to be in a place like this. I think that people like wildlife photographers, nature lovers like me, you all should really come to this place. It's really beautiful. You all will really love this place, and I've got to say that this place is just amazing. So hey guys, I got a friend of mine, his name is Raj, and he's going to be talking something about what he loves in Palava in the garden.
So basically everything here is all about nature. There, you can see birds, you can see butterflies, you can
It's
just
amazing.
just be any time of the day. You can just be here
True,
and chill.
true.
You can do yoga, you can run. There are so many options. So for a true nature lover, I feel this place is really very nice. So that's all about it.
Thank you so much, Raj. It
Yeah.
was nice meeting you.
Yeah,
and
nice meeting you, Brandon.
Thank you so much, guys. So guys, if you all want to see more of my nature pictures at Palava, please do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is the little lens, the_little_ lens. You all can see a lot of my pictures on where exactly I get most of my pictures, how I get my pictures clicked. So please do check them out. It will be really nice if you all support the page. And yeah, these are some of my pictures which I have clicked at Palava. Please do check them out. Thank you.